Welcome! In today's video, we'll enjoy a simple holiday conversation so you can hear real English, learn useful phrases, and feel more confident speaking in your everyday life. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and stay until the end for useful vocabulary and phrases. Let's get started. Hey Mark, the holiday season is finally here. Do you have any special plans?
Yeah, I'm really excited. My family is coming to visit, and we're going to spend a few days together. What about you?
That sounds nice. I'm planning to take a short trip. I want to relax, enjoy some holiday food, and maybe do a little shopping.
Holiday shopping can be fun, but it can also be stressful. Have you bought any gifts yet?
Only a few. I still need to buy presents for my parents and my best friend. I want to find something thoughtful. Do you usually buy gifts early?
Honestly, no. I always wait until the last minute. Then I end up running around the stores searching for something good.
I understand. Stores get so crowded during the holidays. Are you traveling anywhere this year?
Not too far. My family lives just a couple of hours away, so I'll drive there. But I'm a little worried about traffic. The roads get really busy around Christmas and New Year's.
True. I'm taking the train this time. It's easier, and I don't have to worry about parking.
Good idea. So what do you usually do with your family during the holidays?
We cook a big meal together, watch movies, and sometimes play board games. It's simple, but I love it. What about you?
My family loves decorating the house. We put up lights, hang ornaments, and make everything look festive. My mom also bakes cookies every year.
Holiday cookies are the best. Do you help her bake?
I try, but I mostly end up eating the cookies instead of helping.
That still counts. Do you exchange gifts with your family?
Yes, we do, but our rule is to keep gifts simple and meaningful, nothing too expensive. The best part is just being together.
I agree. Sometimes people think gifts have to be big or expensive, but the small ones can be more special.
Absolutely. Oh, do you send holiday cards?
Yes, I write a few every year. I think handwritten cards feel more personal. Do you send them?
Only to my grandparents. They really appreciate it.
That's sweet. Are you planning to make any New Year's resolutions?
I think I want to exercise more and maybe learn something new. What about you?
I want to travel more and improve my cooking skills. I also want to spend more time with friends.
Those sound like great goals. By the way, do you have a favorite holiday movie?
Yes, I watch the same one every year. It makes me feel warm and happy. How about you?
I love watching holiday comedies. They always put me in a good mood.
Holidays really bring people together. It's a nice time to slow down and appreciate the people around us.
I agree. Even if the year was difficult, the holiday season feels hopeful.
Yes, there's something comforting about it. The lights, the music, the traditions, everything feels a little more peaceful.
Exactly. And people seem kinder during this time of year. Even small things like holding the door open or smiling at strangers feel more meaningful.
True. I also love hearing all the holiday greeting people use. Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Happy New Year. They all sound so warm.
They do. And I hear people say, stay warm, safe travels, and enjoy your time with family a lot too.
Those are nice. I always appreciate when someone wishes me joy or a restful season. It feels personal.
It really does. This time of year reminds us to slow down, to check in with people, to reconnect.
Speaking of reconnecting, do you have any special traditions you're looking forward to?
Actually, I'm excited to slow down a bit. My family and I always spend one night driving around town to look at holiday lights. It's simple, but it always puts me in a good mood. How about you?
That sounds really nice. For me, I love taking a quiet morning to myself, making a cup of hot chocolate, listening to holiday music, and writing cards to friends and family. It always helps me feel calm and grateful.
That sounds perfect. Honestly, the simple traditions are the best ones.
I agree. And I hope this holiday season brings you lots of rest and joy.
Thanks, Anna. I hope your holidays are full of warmth, good food, and time with the people you love.
Happy holidays, Mark.
Happy holidays.
Let's take a moment to learn some common holiday vocabulary and expressions you can use in real life. Holiday season. Holiday season is the time of year when people celebrate Christmas, New Year's, and other winter holidays. Example: I love the holiday season because everything feels warm and cheerful. Festive. Festive is bright, joyful, and full of celebration, something that feels like a holiday. Example: the decorations made the whole room look festive. Warm wishes. Warm wishes are kind and friendly good wishes you give to someone, especially during holidays or special occasions. Example: I'm sending warm wishes to you and your family this holiday season. Cozy. Cozy is comfortable, warm, and pleasant. A feeling that makes you relax. Example: we spent a cozy evening at home with blankets and hot chocolate. Cherish. Cherish is to value something deeply and feel grateful for it. Example: I really cherish the time I spend with my family during the holidays.
Holiday spirit. Holiday spirit is the happy, warm, generous feeling people often have during the holiday season. Example: the decorations and music really put me in the holiday spirit. Meaningful. Meaningful describes something that is important, special, or has deep value. Example: we had a meaningful conversation about our goals for the new year. Grateful. Grateful is feeling thankful for something or someone. Example: I'm grateful for the time I get to spend with my family. Appreciate. Appreciate is to value something or someone and feel thankful for it. Example: I really appreciate your help during the holidays. Tradition. A tradition is a custom or activity that people do repeatedly over time, or something meaningful that is passed down through generations. Example: baking cookies on Christmas Eve is our family tradition. Gift exchange. A gift exchange is an activity where people give and receive gifts with each other, usually in a group or during a holiday celebration. Example: we always do a gift exchange at our holiday party, and everyone brings a small present to share.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, stay confident, and come back for our next English conversation.